Hi, welcome to the Health Tip Zone. This is the second video of the cucumber diet plan. In this video, we're going to talk about the menu of the cucumber diet. If you haven't watched the first video, you can first watch it to get an idea about the importance of the cucumber diet plan. I will put the link to the video in the first comment. So, let's have a look at the cucumber diet menu. Cucumber diet menu. For breakfast, have 2 hard-boiled eggs and a plate of cucumber salad. For morning snacks, enjoy 5 plums, 1 large apple, and 1 peach. For lunch, have 1 piece of toasted wheat bread with a bowl of cucumber salad. For evening snacks, enjoy a glass of cucumber shake. For dinner, enjoy 300 grams of fruit salad or your preferred fruit. Cucumber salad ingredients. Peel and slice 300 grams of cucumber. Add finely chopped onion. Mix in 200 milliliters of yogurt. Add a pinch of salt. Cucumber shake ingredients. Peel and cut 1 cucumber into medium pieces. Cut 1 apple into medium pieces. Take 1 handful of spinach. Add a small amount of ginger. Mix all the above ingredients in a juicer and extract the juice. More than these foods, you can only consume clean water. You can't consume other foods. There should be a gap of 3 hours between all 5 meals. Let's see who should not follow this diet plan. If you have digestive issues, take blood-thinning drugs like aspirin, have an allergy to cucumber, have sinusitis, or are pregnant, you should not follow this diet plan. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this that help you improve your health. Don't forget, health is wealth.